Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the CSS exam step by step. First, thoroughly understand the exam structure and syllabus. This foundational knowledge is crucial for effective preparation. Next, create a realistic study schedule, breaking down your goals into daily and weekly tasks. Finally, gather all essential study materials, including recommended books and online resources, to ensure you have everything you need to begin your journey. Now, let's dive into mastering your core subjects. Dedicate significant time to compulsory subjects such as English essay and general knowledge, as they carry substantial weight. Consistent practice in essay writing and precise comprehension is vital for improving your language proficiency. Furthermore, actively work on developing strong analytical and critical thinking skills, which are essential for tackling complex questions across all papers. Moving on, strategically choose your optional subjects based on your academic background and interests to maximize your scoring potential. Once chosen, integrate them into your study plan. Crucially, solve past papers diligently to familiarize yourself with exam patterns, question types, and effective time management. Consistent revision of all subjects is paramount to reinforce learning and ensure long-term retention of key concepts. For your final preparation, take full-length mock exams under strict timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. Afterward, meticulously analyze your performance to identify specific areas needing improvement and refine your strategies. Remember, consistent effort leads to success. Also, for a different kind of upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help keep your study space pristine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.